there are other tests you can get, like blood tests, that look for these delayed allergies. They're called IgE. If you suspect you have a food allergy, you want to eliminate the most common causes of food allergy. Gluten, which is wheat, barley, rye, and oats, dairy, eggs, soy, citrus foods, nightshade foods, which are tomatoes and peppers and potatoes, and you eliminate those for a week. And then you slowly reintroduce them 2 days apart, eating them throughout the day, and see how you feel. And if they trigger a reaction, any of those chronic symptoms like fatigue, brain fog, joint pain, digestive issues, sinus problems, etc., then you know you're having a reaction. So that's the basic idea. You eliminate and then you reintroduce and you see how you feel. The best test for finding out if you have food sensitivities is to get rid of the food and add it back after a period of time. But there are other tests you can get, like blood tests, that look for these delayed allergies. They're called IgE, as opposed to the IgE, which are the acute shellfish peanut allergies. Most allergists will not recognize this kind of testing or won't do it, but there are some doctors of functional medicine who actually are using these tests to help diagnose these problems.